Alright, so the latest thing I'm trying out is venison jerky. I'm just using the regular pesto dehydrator. It doesn't have any settings. You plug it in and it goes to I believe 160. So I've soaked these in a marinade over the last about 18 hours. It's a marinade of soy sauce, Worcestershire, onion powder, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of pepper, and some smoked sea salt. They've been in here about 2 hours, and I'm going to keep them in here for another couple of hours. But what I'm going to do in just a minute here is rotate the racks so that we get an even heating throughout. I'll let you know how it turns out. I'm very excited. So I have a couple thicker slices still going. Most of the jerky is done. It took about 8 hours, and it's now just, it's darker, and it's not really flexible. It's kind of brittle almost. I probably went a little long on it, but I was worried. I just ate a piece. It's absolutely delicious. So I would call this a success in terms of our trial run, and we will definitely be continuing to make more batches and updating you on how it goes.